Okay, so one type of shot would be something where you turn on the light. I would keep your face in the shot too and have it so we see the text when it turns on. And then you can do something like walk back and look up at it. Try to hold shots for a good 6 seconds. Keep them really steady. Always shoot horizontally. Have some walking shots potentially, low angle if you can. Looking up, looking around. Let people walk away from the camera, sort of like you would in a procession. See people walking by you. Also have them walk towards you. Walk past you. And out of frame like that, hold the frame when you're done. Always try to hold it longer than you think you need. Walk with the person, let the light kind of illuminate them and just keep on their face, not always focusing on the lantern, but on the person holding the lantern. And look up at the lantern, hold that for a little bit, and come back down to the person. Try to kind of interact with the person and the lantern in a way. Let them be in a space with you as opposed to just thinking of it as a photograph. Move with them. And again, just try to keep it as still as possible. Moving like this, where the lantern's in the foreground and you're walking with the person and you see things kind of moving by in the background. If there are any bystanders, which there aren't right now for us, but you can sort of look at the bystander if somebody was standing over here on the stoop and come up to the lantern. Ideally there'd be more light on that stoop, but try to get what you can. And then film some videos, but almost think of them as photographs where they're still with both the person and the lantern in the shot. And this would be a great time to have them look at the lantern and then turn towards camera and say the line that's on the lantern for the poem.